Good morning, friends. How are you? You can see it's 8:55 a.m. and it's still 15 minutes remaining for the market to be opened. Okay, so we have got our levels ready. Okay, for all the indices. We will try to take a trade in mid cap select Nifty because it has expiry today. Okay, but it is not a hard and fast tool that we are gonna just trade in this only. If you find some good setup in other indices like Nifty or Bank Nifty, we will go ahead. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for the market to be open, then we'll proceed. Okay. Friends, you can see there is a big gap up. Okay. The market has open gap up above our resistance level. Okay. Now we will wait and see. Okay. If we get some good setup and if we get good signals, then we will try to enter the trade. Okay. फ्रेंड्स देखिए मुझे जो है ना कुछ दोस्तों ने बताया था कि इंग्लिश में बनाइए वीडियो तो इसलिए मैं जो है ना इंग्लिश में भी बोल रहा हूँ ओके और जो है ना हिंदी में भी बोल रहा हूँ दोस्तों ओके friends, I will show you how we will do the hedging, okay, for selling, how we will reduce the cost, okay. You see, I am going to the option chain here, okay. Okay, this is the option chain. Now, if I have to hedge, then I will have to open this mode, okay, basket mode. If not, if I don't want to hedge and if I want to do the naked selling, I can do this way, friends. You can see this is the at the money it's going on, okay. Suppose, let's say if I want to sell this, you should just hover over this, then click the sell button, okay, then enter the lot, okay, then see how much it's showing. 93,000 rupees I need to sell this option, okay, if I am doing the naked selling, okay friends. Okay, now if I'm not doing the naked selling, if I want to hedge the position, okay, you can see now, okay. Okay, I should be going here, I should turn on this basket mode and see I'm selecting the same option, okay. You can see I took this one. See, it's showing 91,000 required money, okay? Required margin, okay? 91,000. Okay, I selected this one. Then I should buy the option that is far OTM, okay? You can see here. I'm going down. Okay, this is the far OTM. You can see. Okay, now I will buy this. You see, this 91,000 required margin will go down. Okay, you see here. See, now it becomes 38,000. Okay. This is called hedging, friends. Okay. This is nothing but a hedging. Okay. Just I am showing it to you. Okay. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं यहाँ पर एंट्री बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा. ओके. देखिए यहाँ पे प्रीमियम जो है ना 88 का चल रहा है. मैं ये कॉल सेल करने की कोशिश करूंगा. ओके. सी. ओके. ओके फ्रेंड्स, our orders are executed. Okay, now I will do one thing. Okay, I will go here and I will buy this without hedging. I will buy this one, friend. Okay, because this is just 13 rupees of premium. Okay. Okay, oh no, I will buy this one. Okay, I will go and buy this one. No, sorry, I will go and buy this one. Let's see. And friends, see, I will go and buy this. Okay, I will just buy this. Okay, I'm not gonna sell because I already sold this call. Okay, so if the market goes down, then I will be profited. Okay, now if the market goes against our direction, so it will give us the profit here as well. Okay, so this is just 4 rupees, so I will buy this one lot. Okay, I'm not hedging this one. Okay. Okay, friends. Okay, how much required? 363 rupees. Okay, khalas. This order as well, friends. Okay, no problem. See, friends, you might be wondering why I take this trade. Okay, I just took this trade because it's now just 950. Okay, still we have 5 hours. So this buy position what we made, this is not the option selling. This is option buying. Okay, so maximum loss we can have here is 360 rupees. Okay, friends, you understand what I mean to say? So here maximum loss we can have is 463. But if the same premium goes up, it can give us a lot of profit. Okay, that's the reason I bought this one. Okay, so we have one position at the buy side and the other position at the sell side. Okay, look, friends, now after taking the trade, we are going in loss. Okay, you can see the loss here, but no issues. We will wait. Okay, look, friends, now the profit is fluctuating. Okay, so we will have to wait for this. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप लोगों को बताता हूँ। ओके, देखिए मैंने जो है ना ये ऑप्शन को सेल किया और इसके साथ हेजिंग की थी। ओके, तो मैंने कॉल जो है ना सेल किया, उसका मतलब मेरा व्यू डाउन का था। ओके, तो मैंने डाउन की पोजीशन बना ली ऑप्शन सेलिंग में। फिर ये बाय क्यों किया ऑप्शन? देखिए ये ऑप्शन मैं बाय क्यों किया दोस्तों, मैंने इसलिए बाय किया कि इसका जो है ना ये एवरेज प्राइस मुझे जो मिला है ये 485, तो मुझे मैक्सिमम लॉस इसमें जो है ना 363 रुपीज का है। लेकिन मैं जो है ना 315 तक मार्केट क्लोज हुए तक बना रह सकता हूँ, तो मुझे बना रहूंगा इस पे। तो मुझे जो है ना मैक्सिमम लॉस जो है ना 363 रुपीज का होगा दोस्तों। लेकिन अगर से जो है ना मार्केट, मेरा जो ऑप्शन सेलिंग करने का व्यू अगर से गलत होगा, तो भी मुझे जो है ना इसमें प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर देगा, मुझे इसका जितना लॉस मिलना है वो मिल जाएगा। लेकिन ये जो है ना मुझे पैसे देगा दोस्तों। ये जो ऑप्शन है ना, इसका प्रीमियम बढ़ जाएगा, इसमें जो है ना मुझे प्रॉफिट होगा। तो इसीलिए जो है ना दोस्तों, मैंने यहाँ पर जो है ना ऑप्शन बाइंग भी कर ली। ओके, लुक फ्रेंड, दिस इज माय option chart. Okay, I sold this option. Okay, so this is the chart for this option. Okay, and this is the spot chart. Okay, you can see. So we can look both the charts to have good view. Okay, see, it's going in my direction, so it's showing profit here. You can see it's a profit. Okay, you can see, friends, it's showing a profit to us here. Okay, no problem, no issues. Okay, we'll have to wait. See, friends, now we are in profit. Okay, showing profit to us, otherwise it was showing loss. Okay, no issues. We will wait. You can see, friends, it's coming on break even, and sometimes it's showing little loss and little profit. No problem. Okay, we have to wait. See, friends, it's showing us a profit of 300 rupees. Okay, because market is going in that direction. Okay, friends, see, I booked the profit here. Okay, with my option selling done, profit with this. Now we are just into this position. Okay, no problem. Okay, okay, we will exit this as well. Okay, okay, wait, I will see. तो देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मुझे यहाँ जो है ना 1072 का प्रॉफिट हुआ, तो मैंने जो है ना ऑप्शन सेलिंग में जो पोजीशन बनाई थी वो बुक कर ली। ओके, अब ये जो ऑप्शन बाइंग की थी दोस्तों, मैंने आपको बताया मुझे मैक्सिमम लॉस कितना होगा, 363 रुपीज का ये प्रीमियम पे। ओके, अभी तो जो है ना 10:30 हो रहे हैं, 10:25 हो रहे हैं, अभी जो मेरे पास 5 आवर्स है दोस्तों। अगर 5 आवर्स में दोस्तों देखिए, इसका प्रीमियम अभी जो है ना 3.50 चल रहा है। अगर से जो है ना मार्केट जो है ना, अब यहाँ से जो है ना, देखिए यहाँ से कोई बड़ा मूव जो है ना अपसाइड देती है, अपसाइड देती है, तो मुझे उसमें भी जो है ना फुल प्रॉफिट होगा दोस्तों। ओके, आप समझ रहे हैं ना? अगर से मार्केट यहाँ से पलट जाए, ओके, या जो है ना हाफ डे के बाद से पलट जाए, ओके, 1 o'clock से पलट के जो है ना अपवर्ड मूव में दे, तो मुझे उसमें भी प्रॉफिट होगा दोस्तों। इसीलिए जो है ना मैंने वो पोजीशन बनाई, और उसमें हमें लॉस होगा तो मैक्सिमम कितना होगा दोस्तों, जस्ट 300 रुपीज का। ओके, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है। ओके, हम बने रहेंगे, आखिरी तक बने रहेंगे दोस्तों। ओके, 3 बजे तक जो है ना पोजीशन को स्क्वायर ऑफ नहीं करेंगे दोस्तों, क्योंकि वी हैव जस्ट a risk of 363 rupees over that option. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Already we made a profit in the option selling. Okay, so it's a good day. Okay, overall. Okay, look friend, market is making lower high and lower low. You can see here it's making lower high, then lower low, then lower high, then lower low. Okay, so the market has full bearishness. Okay, I know, and we can book this profit and we can leave. You can see here. Okay, see, we can uh, we can exit this position and we can book the profit on 956 rupees. Okay, friend, and we can leave it, no issues. But after 1 a.m. the market can give up a good move, and if the market gives up a big move at the upside, okay, it gave an upside momentum, then this premium, you can see this premium of 4.85 rupees we bought, it will go very much higher, so we can have an unlimited profit there. Okay, so that's the reason I am not exiting this position, and the maximum loss with this position is 363 rupees, friends. Okay, 4.85 into 75, each lot has 75 quantity. Okay, so the maximum loss we can have here is 360 rupees. Okay, but if the market gave an upside momentum here, then we can make good profit. That's the reason I am not exiting the position. Okay, see friends, I told you, see, it's decreasing our profit. Okay, see, now the premium came to 405. Okay, you can see our profit is decreasing now. Okay, you can see the market is trying to make a upside movement. You see the profit is decreasing, and the sorry, the loss here in this option is decreasing and the profit is increasing. You can see here, you can see. Okay, see friends, I told you the market is going up and our the loss is decreasing here and the profit is increasing. You can see. Okay, फ्रेंड्स देखिए, अभी मैं जो है ना इसको एग्जिट कर दूंगा, क्योंकि जो है ना मुझे 1000 का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है। ओके, तो मैं इसको एग्जिट करने की कोशिश करूंगा दोस्तों। ओके, क्योंकि 1000 हमारा टारगेट रीच हो गया दोस्तों, तो अभी जो है ना वो नहीं करेंगे हम। ओके, देखिए, देखिए दोस्तों, मैंने जो है ना एग्जिट कर दी, ये पोजीशन को भी एग्जिट कर दी। मैं वेट कर सकता था दोस्तों, लेकिन मुझे कुछ काम आ गया, मैंने लिया ही था ऑप्शन के, ताकि जो है ना इसे 330 तक होल्ड कर सकूं। ओके, तो मुझे मैक्सिमम जो है ना इसमें लॉस 363 का होता, और जो है ना ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट जो है ना मेरा घट के जो है ना 690 का हो जाता। कोई बात नहीं दोस्तों, 363 का प्रॉफिट तो हम ले सकते हैं। ओके, इट्स नॉट ए बिग डील, बट आई गॉट सम अर्जेंट वर्क, दैट्स द रीजन आई एम लीविंग। आई हैव टू गो समवेयर, आई गॉट call from somebody. Okay, that's the reason I exited the trade, and the second reason is I already achieved my target of 1008 rupees. Okay, that's the reason I exited the trade. Okay, okay, friends, I will show you the basis of my trade. Okay, why I took the trade. Okay, I will show it to you. Come here. Okay, you can see we had all our levels ready. Okay, supports and resistance. Market open gap up here. Okay, and it came down, we did not enter the trade. Okay, it came until here all the way, then it went here. Okay, at the Fibonacci level, you see, is this is the Fibonacci level. Okay, it reacted from the 0.618. Okay, then I entered the trade. Okay, I made the short trade. Okay, then the market came here, then it spent some time, then it came down here. Okay, I exited on this candle. Okay, you can see it was making lower high and lower low. Okay, you can see lower low, lower high, then lower low, lower high, then lower low. Okay, now it's trying to go upside. Okay, no problem, but anyhow we have a good day. Okay, and the our total investment was, I will tell you now, just wait. And friends, you can see our total investment was around 38,000 rupees. I exactly don't remember the figure, Okay, so even 38,000 you have invested and you made 1,000 rupees. It's almost nearly 3%. Okay, that's a good profit. Okay, 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 friends. Thank you so much for watching. And today we made a profit of 1,008 rupees, just over 38,000 investment. That's a good deal. It's not a bad deal. Okay.